One more amigurumi with the Valentine theme. Today I share this Love Bee. It is a chubby amigurumi, also as many of the patterns available here in this channel, and it's super easy and very fast to crochet. Hello there, it's Anna here, and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I share this pattern and it's a little bit different than the other patterns here in the channel because usually I share the complete video tutorial. But you can find the free written pattern of this beautiful, this adorable chubby bee in the description of this video and also in the first comment, all right? There you can find all the list of the materials that I used, but here I can tell you already that I use a 2mm crochet hook and a lightweight yarn, all right? For this pattern you need to sew a little bit, like this, the legs, like the arms and legs of this bee. So it's a 6 pieces, but it's only 3 stitches on each. So it's very fast, is not problematic at all. The heart is also very easy to crochet, and I try to make the design for the wings to be remembering a heart, as you can see it here. So I really hope you enjoy this pattern and you will have some fun and you will crochet this to share your love with somebody. You can see also here the distance between the antennas. It's very easy to sew, and I'm stressing the sewing part because you have many sewing here, but they are all very small to sew. So a little bit of stitches as well. Alright, so I will see you next week with one more Valentine pattern. See you then. Bye!